Students, today we will discuss about the numericals of chapter motion. You have lot of problem in numericals, and first open your NCERT book and take a notebook. You cannot solve numericals without doing by yourself. You can solve only, then you can understand the numerical. So side by side solve also the numerical. And how to attempt the numerical? First, read the statement at least 2 times. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? An object travels 16 meter. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds. First, object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter, then another 16 meter in next 2 seconds. What is the average speed? Average speed. Speed is equal to, what is the formula of the speed? Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Distance by time. And average speed, when we will measure the average speed, then the total distance by total time taken. Here the distance, first we count the distance, first 16 meter, then next 16 meter. Total 16 plus 16, it becomes 32 meter. Then distance is equal to 32 meter. Now time. Time is equal to first 4 seconds and second distance 2 seconds. And then 4 plus 2, 6 seconds. Total distance is 6 seconds. Now the average speed. Average speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 32 meter and time is 6 seconds. And when you divide it, 6 5 is 30 and remaining 20, 6 3 is 18, remaining again 20 and going on this. And unit is meter per second. Meter per second. The next numerical, read the statement of the next numerical at least 2 times and in a small portion. The odometer of car reads 2000 kilometers. Car odometer measure the distance. If you know this, then odometer measure the distance and speedometer measure the speed. Now odometer measure the distance and can read 2000 kilometers. First 2000 kilometers at the starting point 2000 kilometers. At the trip and 2400. It is 2000 kilometers. And at the end of trip 2400 kilometers. The odometer of the car reads 2000 kilometers at the starting point is 2000 kilometers of the trip and 2400 kilometers at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours and it will take 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the, we will calculate average speed. Average speed we will calculate, and average speed formula is distance by time. Distance by time. Now first measure the distance. Here distance is, starting point is 2000 kilometers and ending point is 2400 kilometers. Then we will take the distance between these 2 points, starting point and ending point. Starting is 2000, ending is 2400. Then we will deduct 2000 from 2400 and it will become 400 kilometer. The distance covered by the car is 400 kilometer and the time is 8 hours. Now if the average speed is equal to distance by time, now average speed is equal to 400 by 8. kilometer and hour. 8 5 ja 40, 50 kilometer per hour. But here we have to calculate speed of car in kilometer per hour and meter per second also. Now this is the answer in kilometer per hour. But if we want to measure in meter per second, then 50 kilometer per hour. Then kilometer, how much meter in kilometer? That is 1000. R is equal to 60 minutes, or 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, or you can write down 60 into 60. Now you can solve from here, and after cutting you get the result, and it is near about 13.9 meter per second. Numerical. First read the statement. Usha swims in 90-meter long pool. Usha swims in a pool that is 90 meter long. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute. 180 meter. Now next 90, 180 meter in 1 minute. 1 minute. By swimming from one end to the other end. She is not moving further. She come back again at the same point. She started from here and moved 90 meter in 1 minute, and then again come back to the starting point in the next 90 meter and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity. And average speed is equal to distance by time. As you know, the formula is average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Now here the distance. First she starts from the starting point and move to 90 meter, and then again come back to the same point in 90 meter. And total distance is 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 meter. Then distance covered by Usha is 180 meter, and time is 1 minute, or you can say 60 seconds. 1 minute or 60 seconds. Now the speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time, and the distance here is 180 meter and time is 60 seconds. Now you can cut. This is 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. Now the velocity. Velocity. As you know, the formula of the velocity is displacement by time. And here we will measure the displacement. Usha swim from the first point, starting point to till 90 meter, and then again come back in the same direction to the first point or the starting point. Then here displacement is 0. Displacement is 0 because displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final position. This is the initial and again this is the final position. The shortest distance between is 0. Displacement is 0 and time taken is 1 minute. Now velocity is equal to displacement by time. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Then velocity will be 0 meter per second. The statement of the next numerical. It trains starting from the rest. It trains starting from the rest. Rest means initial velocity is 0. Attain a velocity of 72 km per hour. It means this is the final velocity 72 kilometer per hour in 5 minutes. Time is equal to 5 minutes. Assuming that acceleration is uniform and find the acceleration. We have to find out acceleration, the distance travelled by the train for attaining this velocity. Distance also we have measured in this numerical. If we want to solve any numerical, then first we have to equalize the units. 72 km per hour we will change into the meter per second equal unit. Then this is kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer in 1 kilometer, how much meter? 1000. And in hour, 600 or 60 into 60. Then you can solve it. 36 just 2 just 72, and then it becomes 20 meter per second. And minute also change into the second. And then 1 minute have the 60 seconds, and it become equal to 3. 6 5 is 30, 300 seconds. Now first find out the acceleration. V minus u by t. V is, here V is 20 and u is 0 and time is 30 seconds, 300 seconds. Now 20 minus 0, 20 by 300. When you will solve, then it become equal to the 1 by 15 meter per second square. Now we will measure the distance. Now if we want to measure the distance, then we have to take the equation which have the distance formula. V is equal to u plus at. No s is there, no distance is there. S is equal to ut plus half at square. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here is s, here is s. From both the equation we can find out the distance. Minus u square is equal to 2as. Now bring s outside, and s outside 2a is multiplied with this v square minus u square. Now put the value. V square is equal to 20 meter. 20 square minus u is equal to 0 square and 2a. A is equal to 1 by 15. 1 by 15. Now solve it. 20 square. 20 into 20, that it will become 400 minus 0 equal to 400, and 2 into 1 and 15 move upside. Now 400 by 2 into 15. Divide 200. 15 to the 30. It becomes 3000 meter. Or if we divide it by 1000, then it will become the 3 kilometer. Now we will also try with this formula also, whether it will give the right answer or not. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Then put the value ut. U is equal to 0 and t is equal to 300 plus half. A is 1 by 15 into t is 300 square. Now 0 into 300, it becomes 0 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 15 into 300 into 300. Now 15 to the 30, 20 and 2, it becomes 10, and 10 into 300, 3000 meter. Or if we divide by 1000, then it will become the 3 kilometer. First read the statement carefully. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. It means starting from the 18 km per hour and ending at the 36 km per hour. Mean initial velocity u is equal to 18 kilometer per hour and V is equal to 36 kilometer per hour in 5 seconds. Time is equal to 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and the distance covered. Acceleration and distance we have to find out in this numerical covered by the car in that time. Now first equalize the units. Kilometer per hour we will change into the simple units meter per second. This is the second. Now 18 into kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds or 60 into 60 you can write down. Now cut 20, 18 2 ja 36, 2 5 ja 10, then it will become 5 meter per second. Now change 36 into 1000 by 3600 and it will become 10 meter per second. Now acceleration. Formula of acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. Now put the value. V here is 10 and U is 5 and T is 5 seconds. Now it is equal to the 1 meter per second square. Now we have to measure the distance. We can use both formula just like the last numerical. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS and S come outside, then V square minus U square is equal to 2A. Then it becomes V square. V square is 10 square minus U is 5 meter per second, 5 square by 2 into A is equal to 1. Then solve it. 10 into 10, 100 minus 5 into 5, 25 divided by 2. Then 100 minus 25 is 75 divided by 2 is equal to 2 3 ja 6 and 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10 meter per second. Distance is only meter. Now we will use the second formula. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to U is 5, T is 5, half A is 1 and T is 5 square. 5 5 ja 25 plus 1 half into 1 into 5 5 ja 25. Now 25 plus. Solve this. This become the 25 by 2. Then you can divide it. If you will divide the 25 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Then it will become the 12.5. Then 25 plus 12. 5 2 7, 2 1 3, 37.5 meter. Both the formula will give the same answer. Read the statement of next numerical starting from a stationary position. Stationary position, it means initial position is 0. Rahul pedaled his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meter per second in 30 seconds. Time 30 seconds. Then he applies brakes such that the velocity of the bicycle come down to 4 meter. He was moving with the velocity. Now this final velocity is become initial for the second stage. Again read this. Starting from a stationary position. Stationary U0. Rahul pedaled his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meter per second. Final velocity 6 meter. Then he applies brakes. At the 6 meter per second speed or velocity, he applies brakes. Then it becomes the initial position for the second case. and such that the velocity of the bicycle come down to 4 meter. It means final velocity becomes 4 meter per second in the next 5 seconds. Now calculate the acceleration. We have to calculate the acceleration in both the cases. Now formula is equal to A is equal to V minus U by T. Now put the value. V is 6, U is 0 and T is 30 seconds. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 by 30. 6 5 is 30. 1 by 5 or it will become 0.2 meter per second square. Now here the acceleration A is equal to V minus U by T. Now put the value. V 4, U 6 and T 5. Now 4 minus 6 minus 2. It means there is retardation or negative acceleration. If you solve 5 for the 20, 0.4 meter per second square, then the acceleration becomes 0.4 meter per second, and there is the negative acceleration or retardation is there because of this negative sign. In the video, we have covered all the solved numerical of NCERT book, and in the next video, we will solve the unsolved numerical of NCERT book. Thank you.